Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today is a big day. Today I am going to be making the largest investment into myself that I've ever made in my entire life. It's not into myself, it's into my business. So figured I would start it off with a positive day because I'm going to be broke. Positive way, let's start off the day. Let's go to Dutch Bros and get some good coffee. At least, because I'm about to be $22,000 broker. Alright, so today's video is about being patient. Because so many people want to make an investment, they want this payday right away. They want money in the bank the next day or within the year, you know? Sometimes you gotta be patient. The big rewards come from being patient and waiting for the right time and opportunities to come up, because you can't just decide, oh, I want to start investing right now, and then all of a sudden the next day you've found the next Shiba Inu or Dogecoin or something like that. You got to be patient. You got to consistently be making investments, learning from those investments, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't work. Whether it's cryptocurrency, stocks, a business of your own, whatever it is, you got to be patient with it. And I'm talking about this because it's been 4 years now since I've had a footwear company. I think about 4 years. I think we're a little bit, I'm not sure, somewhere around 4 years. And I still haven't taken a paycheck from my footwear company. It is still an investment that we're making all the time, and it is growing significantly. But what I do not want to do is start taking money out still. So I want to be patient with it, and sometimes that's the big reward at the end of the tunnel. Hopefully, because I could be making a very silly bet on myself right now, and it could go absolutely wrong. But I don't think so. I think we'll be good. I trust. I got faith. Anyways, I'll be right back right after I create my bank account on some shoes. Part of me wants to cry, and then a part of me is like super happy and excited for these shoes to get here. Because that's always an exciting time when you get new products. It's like basically bought shoes for life right now. If you think about it, worst case scenario, if no shoes sell, I got a pair of shoes for the rest of my life. That's a good thing, right? Anyways, I don't know. It's always a little worrying when you send off all the money that you have. You know what's crazy is for the last week or so, I have not been able to log in at all into Doordash. It's crazy. So I guess we're just gonna drive home because Doordash is not allowing me to get any money. To be a good time to make some money right now, to be absolutely honest. But anyways, a part of me almost feels like reassured because now I have no money in the bank. Should be the opposite of reassuring, but now I feel like I'm going to be my most productive self again. Anytime you have a gigantic cushion to lay on or something, you just get a little reckless and you're not doing your absolute best compared to what you could be doing if it was serious, like you absolutely had to get your shit together, you know? Does anyone else feel like that? Like, you have to have your shit together if you got no money in the bank. It doesn't allow you to recklessly spend on stupid things. Makes sense to me, at least. Anyways, I'll be right back. Gotta get some gas. Alright, just got a dash. It doesn't start for 15 minutes though. But it's only 30 minutes, unfortunately. But I gotta make some money today. Got to get on that $70 a day on Doordash, back on that game. $70 a day keeps the overdrafts away. Hey, there we go. Anyways, I'll be right back as soon as we get this dash going. Alright, been chilling here for about 15-20 minutes right next to Chipotle, trying to get an order. Fortunately, things are not going according to plan. We have not gotten any orders. We've gotten a bunch of bullshit orders, to be absolutely honest. I even went to open the Postmates Fleet app because I was like, well, might as well try Postmates. But apparently, Postmates doesn't exist anymore. Anyone know about that? Let me know in the comments down below if you know about Postmates not being an app anymore, because it said this app is no longer available in the Apple Store, so which means I couldn't re-download it or anything. So I don't know. Not that I really wanted to do a Postmates order, I just was like, maybe we'll get a good one or something, but apparently it's not available anymore. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna continue to wait here. I got 14 more minutes on this dash, and then if we don't get one, I sat here for 40 minutes with no orders. I mean, I just had one that was $5.50 for 5.6 miles. Just not worth it though. Alright, be right back. See what I'm talking about? Less than $1 a mile. That's all I've been getting. It's like Doordash striking back. They're like, we know you need to make money right now, so we're not gonna give it to you. Thanks, Doordash. Alright, I guess our dash is coming to an end. We didn't get any good orders, so we are gonna go home and be productive at home and maybe try to log in from home and get something going, because obviously today was not my day to get a dash. But oh well. It's like the one time I actually went out and tried to just solely do DoorDash. Bites me in the ass. This is why I stick to the casual dashing and just stay logged in all day until like a good order does pop up. But anyways, alright, I'm gonna wrap up today's video right there, because I gotta make another video after this. I gotta get ahead, that way I can really focus on the footwear stuff, because when you take every dollar you have and invest it, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of exciting. You know, we have a lot of shoes coming in and that's exciting, but when you take every dollar that you have in your bank basically and invest it into something, it's got to be your prime focus from here on out for quite a while, you know? Anyways, I'm going to wrap up today's video there. If you guys enjoy my videos at all, if you guys want to support me, go to offaxisathletics.com. I would be extremely happy if anyone buys anything, even if it's the smallest thing like a hat or something. Go get some stuff, use the discount code OffAxisTanner for 30% off. We'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. I love you guys. Drive safe, make that money. Peace.